I hope you're all having an amazing day. This is the Engine Fixer, and today we're going to break down the symptoms of a bad mass airflow or MAF sensor. What does a MAF sensor do? The purpose of a MAF sensor is simple. It measures the amount of air entering the engine. Your vehicle's ECM, or engine control module, uses this data to calculate the ideal air-to-fuel ratio for combustion. The MAF sensor is usually located on the air intake system before the throttle body. Here's the location on a Nissan Sentra, here's one on a Volkswagen Passat, and here's another example from a different Passat. Keep in mind, not all cars use a MAF sensor. Some vehicles are equipped with a MAP sensor instead. If that's your case, check out the video linked above. Symptom 1. Check engine light. The easiest way to detect a bad MAF sensor is when your check engine light comes on. Here are some common error codes related to a faulty MAF sensor. You can read these codes at most auto parts stores for free, or get a scanner like I use, which I've linked in the description below. But sometimes the check engine light won't turn on even if the sensor is failing. That's when you need to look for other signs. Symptom 2. Engine won't start. If the MAF sensor reports less air than what's actually entering the engine, the ECM commands less fuel. In reality, there's more air than fuel, which throws off combustion and can result in a no-start condition. Symptom 3. Rough idle. Maybe your car does start, but when you're sitting at a stoplight, it shakes and feels unstable. That's often caused by the ECM receiving a faulty signal of less air. Again, less fuel is delivered when more is actually needed. This imbalance creates poor combustion, misfires, and the rough idle you're experiencing. Symptom 4. Poor fuel economy. Now, let's flip the scenario. If the MAF sensor sends a false reading of more air, the ECM adds more fuel than necessary. This means your engine is burning excess fuel, which can seriously hurt your MPG. Symptom 5. Black smoke from the exhaust. When the engine gets more fuel than it can burn, the leftover fuel exits through the exhaust system. That extra fuel burns up and creates black smoke, a classic sign of a bad or dirty MAF sensor. Final tip: clean before replacing. If your MAF sensor is dirty, don't rush to buy a new one. In many cases, you can clean it with a dedicated MAF sensor cleaner, which I've linked in the description below. If this video helped you, please do me a favor. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another The Engine Fixer video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.